Hey everyone. So, if you're applying for a job and need a professional cover letter, yeah, Zety makes it really quick, even if you're a beginner. I'll show you step by step how to create a cover letter for any job using Zety. First, go to Zety and click on Create Cover Letter. This will open the editor where you start building your letter. Now enter the job title and the company name you're applying to. This helps Zety generate a cover letter that matches your job application. Next, add your personal details like your name, email, and contact information. Keep it simple and professional. Now, Zety will suggest ready-made sentences for your cover letter. You can use them or edit them to sound more like you. A good cover letter has three parts: an introduction, your skills or experience, and a closing statement. Keep it short and clear. Next, you can customize the design like fonts, spacing, and layout. Zety automatically formats everything to look professional. Before downloading, read everything carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and everything sounds natural. Finally, download your cover letter. You can export as PDF or Word if you have a paid plan, or use the text version and format it yourself. And that's it. Now you know how to create a professional cover letter for any job using Zety.